What up? It's your Bizos back at it again. Hey, so today I'm gonna be bringing a special side dish that I like. It's gonna be some cabbage and collard greens mixed together, fried. So here I got some fresh collard greens. I know, wash them, clean them off, peel it off stem, and I got some cabbage that I have sliced. Over here I got some ham hocks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these ham hocks on and let them boil for about an hour. And we got some onions and some peppers to go in there, and we got some bacon that I'm going to be using the bacon grease to fry this cabbage and collard greens. So let's go to the stove and get ready to put our ham hocks in the pot. So I already have my water already to a boil, nice and hot. So I'm going to come over here and add in these ham hocks. All right, let's let them boil for an hour till they get nice and tender. All right, let's go ahead and check on our ham hocks. They've been boiling for an hour. Should be nice and tender now. See, that's exactly how you want it. That meat pulls right out like that. You know, you can use, you don't have to use ham hocks. You can use neck bones. You can use turkey. Just whatever you do. I would really prefer to use some smoke. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my bacon. Got my bacon grease. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cabbage. I'm gonna add my collards right on top of that. Here I have some onions and some peppers I'm going to put on top in there. I'm just going to put my ham hock meat over in there with it. Just put the top on top of here. Let this cook on down. Alright, let's go ahead and check on our collards and cabbage. Go ahead and stir them around. You can see we didn't add any water. It's making its own, it has its own water in there. So we're not needing to add anything right now. Cabbage and collards have fried for 30 minutes. It's nice and tender now. Hey, let me know what you guys think about this cabbage and collards video. Have y'all ever tried cabbage and collards together? Hey, I know this is about to be amazing. I can't wait to dig into this. Make sure you go ahead and press that like button. Go ahead and drop some comments what you guys think about this. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.